Hey guys, I'm making this video to show everyone how to get how to get followers on Tumblr. I keep getting the question like, "Oh my God, how did you get so many followers?" And I tell them, and it works for them. So this is pretty much why I'm making this video. I don't want to publicize the link because it'll get blocked just like all the other programs. But if you would like it, here's my 92,000 followers. If you would like the link, just follow me on Tumblr. My link will be in the description. I'll follow you back and just message me. Just say like, oh, what's the link to the download or something. And I'll reply. And yeah, within like a couple of days, you'll have probably 80,000. Yeah, I've only been on Tumblr for like 10 days and it's kind of worked for me, as you can see. So yeah, get following and message me, and yeah, it'll be yours. Okay, thank you. Bye.